In today's video, we'll be covering how you can quickly change your network settings for your Userful video wall. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click Settings, then you want to scroll down to Network Settings, and you'll notice here we actually have two NICs. And then to start with, let's change the 10.100.52.31 address. So let's click Edit. You'll notice that right now we have it's set to DHCP. Should you want to manually configure this, just select Manual Network Config, and then make whatever changes are necessary. So in this case, it says /24 address. We're just using standard default gateway.route, so it's not going to be the preferred NIC for routing. That's actually the other one, and then it's just using these two as the DNS servers. So click Save when you're done, and it will then save all the changes you need. So if you need to change the network settings of the zero clients themselves, zero client receiver devices that is, click Displays, go to your zero client receiver device, click Network, and then uncheck DHCP if you have to. You just need the subnet mask and you need the IP address of the zero client receiver device. That's something you might have to talk to your local network administrator about, but generally speaking, static works best for them, so that's what we recommend. Anyways, that concludes today's video. If you have any more questions or concerns, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.